There comes a time, I believe, in the history of a nation when we have to take very strong action, very decisive action.
70 residents of John Lamantil, among them 10 women.
It's his official day on the job as the country's new Commissioner of Police, and Dwayne Gibbs says he is ready to lead his office.
You do the same.
Well, I wouldn't want to trespass on the jurisdiction of the Police Service Commission.
But you must have a view.
I do indeed have a view. I think it's most
Maccabee. Now where they really coming from with the state of emergency was never dealing with the people problems with urgency. From high food prices to scrapping our OJT, it's all a string theory leading down to the murders be. Taking this time out to dismantle the fallacy, rocking the law to the core, attacking the strategy. These words are unheard, this is Windsor the Maccabee. Reveal the truth in the Buddha cave, they blasphemy. Return of the land tax, now we're seeing ghosts. Nothing holy about the host, that's how the politics has worked. That white boy was a ploy, gave him a chance and he choked. Papa ducked in the hearse, can make it past my first verse. Sipping on the fine wine while we feeling the hurt. It was pay as you earn, he would have never had no word. Scapegoat, they wanna hang with them place we in the dirt. Proving the inability to strong-handed approach. Now I see I have the middle class families misled, thinking that the crumbs are falling is the bulk of the bread. Never really look past this little door, not the dead. Just moves, they see the pawn and aiming straight for the head. What about things in the high-rise moving drugs by the tons? Have no factory down in Trinidad, so where we getting guns? We can't go down on the port and tell them don't touch that one. So the man with the passes who should be on lockdown.
Yo, war on crime, open declaration. They're locking down to lock up certain ones in the nation. Obviously, they reach desperation. This implementation shows they have no control of the situation. They're standing in a puddle of shite, and the boots they import from Canada not working right. Apparently, they're fitting too tight, cause taxpayers getting squeezed and no innocents can't come out at night. What is the objective of such an extreme measure? What is to begin by placing people under pressure? Certainly not to arrest pawns and the usual suspects, and white collars still doing business and can't get bust yet. They run a propaganda campaign for the unions not to shut down, and still they come and give the nation half a shutdown. This government looking pop down. All this PPP could take a flush down. Questions getting sidestepped, never hear such lies yet. Discuss white sweat, this government is some shite, yes. Whoever making decisions like they are a joker. Wonder if they will lock down when it's time for soca.
Yeah, talking about a SOE to stop crime. More like buying time. I hope all you lost, all you really find. Seeing
limited state of emergency, lockdown PNM constituencies. See, the bar's closing down early, and when a door drinker doesn't feel to pee. Run up on the small fries, freeze. The way they talk is where they machine an army. Limited state of emergency, but they can't lock me down if I never was free. Don't start slavery talk, but there's a whole next scene. Police and army legally locking up the hustler who selling a locally manufactured product to us while the pellicle come in containers from Colombia. Nah man, madness. They want me run up in the station with some knowledge for the mother. Frauds they can't talk that. And guns from the same containers. Who owners just keep Queen's Council on retainer. They can't stop crime or the rain. The ones who bring the guns in, that's fund the election campaign. That's why they don't sponsor athletes and entertainers. For the youth to look up to us for inspiration, instead of looking in the Pusherman direction. And after all they promised in the last election is fuck away with the union, mostly consisting of the same areas where they're locking up ghetto children. They're growing up fast, the revolution is building.